I've been in crypto now for the best part of 5 years now, and I wanted to share with you 7 of my best ways in fact, and the top ways that I believe are realistic and easy to make money in crypto, or make money with crypto, make money on crypto, whatever way you want to talk about it. Now there's going to be chapters in the video description down below and in the timeline of the video. All I ask guys is that you do hit that like button, subscribe for future educational videos. Let's get into the video. So you know what they say guys, it takes money to make money, and it's no different in cryptocurrency. The first 5 of these best ways to make money in crypto, actually you will need some crypto to begin with, and these 5 are probably the slightly better and easier ways. If you have cryptocurrency already, fantastic, you can go ahead right to the next chapter. If you do not own crypto already, my recommended trading platform exchange is Bybit. They're a fantastic platform for so many different things. I trust them implicitly, and I do have a link in the video description which gives you up to $30,000 when you sign up and when you make a deposit. Okay, so my best way of making crypto trading, point number 1, and this is in no particular order guys, it's actually trading, okay? Derivatives or futures trading. Some people call it derivatives, some people call it futures. The one thing I would say about this option, and this is of course one of the 5 that requires some crypto to make money in crypto, but the one thing I would say is trading futures is very, very risky without proper risk management. Now, the way trading works is you simply are buying cryptocurrency and selling it at a profit, or you're selling it, which is called shorting. And by the way, if you buy, that can also be called a long. You can short it and you can make money that way as well. So it doesn't matter which way the market goes, but it's important that you use proper, correct technical analysis. So again, this is something you need to learn. Fortunately, it's something I talk about and I teach. If you're new to trading or haven't really looked into it before, I do have a Bybit for beginners video. There'll be a link in the video description down below. So my second best way of making money in crypto is a little bit more passive. Maybe you don't really want to trade, you don't want the risk. Well, may I introduce you to something called copy trading. Copy trading is a really, really good way of getting exposure to some of the best crypto traders in the game, and of course you can do this on Bybit as well, links in the video description down below, and you can basically pick other traders that have been vetted, been qualified, that are trading, making profit. In fact, I trade myself, as you may or may not know, and I have my own profile on here, so if you want to follow my trades, you can. Mars Trade, you can see my profile is in quite good profits. Unfortunately, what has been happening, just as a side note, although I've made a good profit, 21% in the last 7 days, 53% in the last 30 days, my followers unfortunately have not made a profit. And the reason for that is the people following me were not using the same leverage as me. So I made a video literally yesterday where you can set your settings on the copy trading to mine, so you get exactly the same results. And had the people following me have done that, they would have also made 53% in the last 30 days, and whatever amount relevant to the size that they've been copying me. So in my opinion, copy trading is a really good way of making money in crypto, because you're simply copying other vetted professional traders. You know what they say, leave it to the professionals if it's, you know, not something that you can do yourself. So that, in my opinion, is a really good way. So the third really good, one of my best ways to make money in crypto is actually by using a trading bot. A trading bot is essentially an algorithm, a trading script that trades for you. So this is kind of in between trading for yourself or using copy trading. Now, Bybit do have a trading bot feature, and you can select different types of bots. You can configure them somewhat to your own settings, but ultimately they're very much going to be like Bybit's own trading bots. They're not too difficult to use. Personally, I would recommend using like a third-party trading bot. You could check out CryptoPilot, and a small disclaimer, I am one of the founders of CryptoPilot. What we noticed, there was a lot of people that want exposure to massive crypto trading profits, but don't want the risk. And we created an algorithm that trades on your behalf. 𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗦 basically gives you automated trade signals, so you can get the signals, you can see what the trades are doing and how they're operating, but it will trade for you automatically in your Bybit account. So there is a link down below for 𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗦. It's a discounted link. Please feel free to check that out. And again, if you have any comments, questions at any point, please leave them in the video description down below. So my fourth way of making money in crypto, another really good way, a very passive way, certainly not as kind of adventurous as trading, copy trading and bots, but it is basically earning. And again, Bybit is a great place where you can earn money. You need to stake your cryptocurrency. You have Bybit savings. You actually have different features as well, like liquidity mining, dual asset mining. And of course, you can learn all about these on the Bybit website. Right, guys, so my best way of making money in crypto, number 5, and this is the last one of the ways that require you to have cryptocurrency money in the first place, is very simply, and it may sound like an obvious one, but it is simply HODLing, buying and holding. And Bybit have obviously a way that you can do that. It's the best way. Using the link in the video description, you actually get 0 fees when you do spot trading. I would prefer Bybit over like a Coinbase, for example, because you can literally buy any cryptocurrency coin you like. But what I would say is very, very important. Only leave crypto that you're trading with basically on the exchange. It's very, very important when you're buying and holding to put it in a hard wallet, and I would recommend Ledger. Ledger is a fantastic way of keeping your cryptocurrency safe offline. I have a hardware wallet here, and you also have this Ledger Live interface as well. So again, if you want to get a Ledger, if you've just have, a few $100s, it's not essential. It's really safe on Bybit, but obviously the safest place is a non-custodial hardware wallet. So if you're starting to get into the thousands, of course, tens of thousands or more, definitely invest in a Ledger, and you know that your cryptocurrency is going to be safe. Let's move on to the best way of making crypto, point number 6. And this way requires you know crypto to get started. And this is essentially creating content. What I did 2 years ago, I created a YouTube channel. Now, it doesn't have to be YouTube. It could be a podcast. It could be a blog article. It could be something through sponsorships. But if you are interested in crypto and you want to write about crypto, educate in crypto, make products and services in and around crypto, there is great opportunities to make money in crypto. You'll probably notice in this video description down below, there are affiliate links, and that's one of the main ways that I'm able to monetize this content and educate my audience for free to them. And of course, I earn a small commission, or I get paid occasionally on sponsored videos. And it doesn't have to be YouTube. Like I said, you could do something on Twitter, you could make blog article posts, you could do a whole host of different things. And in my opinion, that is a great way. So essentially starting a business within crypto, creating content in crypto to be paid in crypto. Now, the last way, guys, point number 7, also requires no crypto to start earning. You probably have already a hobby, a skill, maybe a profession. Why don't you start accepting crypto? Get paid in cryptocurrency for your endeavors, for your services. Companies like BitPay, Stripe very soon, Revolut very soon, actually allow you to take payments in cryptocurrency from customers. And it also opens up doors to customers that wouldn't necessarily been interested had they've just paid the conventional way. It shows that you're a crypto-friendly business and you're here with the times, basically. So they are my 7 best ways, guys. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend, share it in your own communities. Remember, I have the links all down in the description down below. There are affiliate links, so you'll earn a bonus. I will earn a bonus. I don't get paid from any of these partners for making this video, so it's a great way of you supporting the channel. It'd be very much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Do check out any one of my other tutorial videos and subscribe for future content. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you again on another video soon. Bye bye.